Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Flutter on your Windows operating system. So let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Flutter SDK. And herein guys, you can see the official website docs.flutter.dev. You need to just click on this install Flutter link. So guys, it will redirect you to this page. Guys, on this install Flutter page, just scroll down and you will see two options, quick start and custom setup. Just select custom setup. Now it will redirect you to this page, and here if you scroll down you can see again the option install in VS Code and install manually. So I'm going to click on this install manually button, and now guys it will redirect me to this page. Here it will show different platforms. So depending on your platform you can select. I'm selecting Windows platform. So guys, it will show me this part, and here we have what? Install and set up Flutter. And you can see we have a button where it is written Flutter Windows and version and stable.zip. So it is a zip file. So we are going to download this zip file. So guys, let me click on this button. And you can see the download has been started. The file size is in GB. It is going to take a time. So please wait for it. So guys, the download of this zip file is done. Now I'm going to simply extract this zip file. Guys, now I'm going to download location of this file, and simply I'm just extracting this file. So here I have extract all button. I'm selecting that. So it's showing me this path. It will be extracted in this path, but I don't want this path. So I'm just changing. I'm making C:/Flutter. So my extraction will be done in C:/Flutter. And once extraction is done, it will take me to that folder. So guys, here the extraction has been started. Since the file is in GB, it is going to take time. So please wait for it. Okay guys, so extraction of this Flutter is done. Now it has taken me to the folder C:/Flutter, and here you can see we have bin folder, which is very important folder. So guys, I'm just going to this bin folder because I need to set the path in environmental variable. So simply I'm going to copy this path, and now I will be opening environmental variable, and I'm going to set the path of Flutter in environmental variable. So here in search simply type env, and guys you can see here we have environmental variables button. Just click on this, and now under system variable here is path variable. You can take user variable also, no problem. I'm just taking system variable and I'm selecting this path variable, and here I'm clicking on this edit button. And now guys, on this screen, I'm just going to click on this new button, and I'm going to paste the path which I have copied. So here I have just pasted my C:/Flutter/bin path. And now I need to click on OK button, one more time OK, and the last time OK. So guys, the path setup is done. So that means installation of Flutter is done properly. Now we will open command prompt and we will verify whether it is working or not. So here I'm simply opening my command prompt, and here I'm typing Flutter space -- version, and you can see guys it's showing me version of my Flutter. That means your Flutter installation is successful. If it shows you command not recognized, that means your path is not set properly. So please set the path properly. So guys, I conclude my video. I hope by following my video you are able to install Flutter. So guys, in my upcoming video, I'm going to show you how you can create project using this Flutter. So I will be creating videos related to what creation of Flutter project using Android Studio, how you can run Flutter project on browser, how you can run Flutter project on AVD or emulator. Also, I will be creating video how to create and run your Flutter project in VS Code. So stay connected with my channel, guys. If my video has really helped you in installing Flutter, then don't forget to hit on like button. If you have any query, you can put in comment box, or you can send me on my IG also. And guys, share my videos to your friend. And very important for me is your subscription. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive updates from my channel. Guys, I have my website also. The link of all my social media is given in description box. Certainly you can visit that. You can join my Telegram channel also for receiving notes and PDF. Instagram you can follow. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning guys.